Change clothes, ha? And then after that, do kumon. Daddy will just print something here. Piece. I will put Jiko Gio. Grab the piece. And then you can finish. Read books. Or play. You can do all of those. And then eat dinner. And then keep the toys. Okay, and pray. Okay? So I'm just gonna remove this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.